Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking real estate. We had one of our rental units turn over, so we went in to check it out and we're bringing you with us to take a look. This is always an adventure, so let's have a look at this place that we just got back. We got to get it ready to rent. Let's see what we're dealing with. All right, folks, so we got a unit that came available and we're going to go in and take a look at it and see what it looks like after the tenant has moved out. Something we always do, go in and get an assessment of the condition and what it looks like and how everything is. And it's something we always enjoy doing. Hopefully we find things in great shape. So this is this is a spacious unit we have just south of Soto in downtown Orlando. It's a 2-1, 868 square foot place. Boy, so far looks good. Wow, yeah, so really clean looking on the floors. Floors are all clean. In here in the kitchen, we've got our key left for us. Cabinets are in really good shape. Everything looking good. One of the first things they always check upon is the oven, what kind of condition that's in. And that's looking really, really good. That's awesome. Yeah, you know, because you have a lot of times when people turn things over, it can get really tough. I mean, you're going to have to replace a lot of things. It takes a lot of man hour, time, and of course cost, and then it's not rented while all this is going on. So, just real expensive and time consuming to have a situation like that. So, you always appreciate when the tenant takes pride in their place and in themselves and leaves things in a really good condition. And boy, that is certainly the case here. Now, this tenant was referred to us by one of our previous tenants, and that tenant left everything in excellent shape. And this is the case here as well. Wow, this is really good. We're really excited about this. I haven't got one in this good a condition in a while. And the carpets, which were new when they moved in, have been cleaned. Everything is looking really good. Everything looking sharp in here. And we have the air conditioner over here. That's all looking good. Gosh, even a new air filter in here. So this is just... Yeah, we hated to see this individual go. We really enjoyed our time with them, but they moved on to some bigger and better things, and we're always excited about that. We love when our folks are able to advance in life into something more desirable for them. And this, without question, will be a full deposit refund. This is as good of a return on a place as you can get. So if you're looking for a textbook situation on what a place can look like after you get it back from a tenant, this is going to be the top of the standard of what you'll be looking for right here. Everything just clean as a whistle in here. Man, I don't think we're even going to need any 409 to come in this place. My goodness, this is just outstanding. This works great for us because we have little turn time. We can potentially get a tenant in here tomorrow morning. That's how soon it is, and that's how awesome it is to get a unit back in this type of condition. Because when you have high demand for your rentals, not to lose any rent money, that's just outstanding. So we really are in a good shape there. Now, with the market turmoil, with the interest rates high, we did have a list. That's gone away, so we probably will have to do a little bit of advertising on this, but that's fine. That'll introduce us to some new folks, and we can help somebody with that. So yeah, this is going to be a 2-1. That's going to rent for $1,500 a month, and we'll collect a deposit on it. We are also going to do a credit analysis as we do on all of our properties. But yeah, this is really, really good. I'm thrilled to see this. I can get this rented quickly. And like I say, you don't have to spend a bunch of time over here involved in cleaning and painting and replacing things. And man, this has a great little patio out here if you want to get yourself a barbecue grill or a table or what have you and sit out and enjoy the weather. Man, it's just beautiful. Really nice situation out here. This is on a bit of a busy road here. Not ideal, you know, for little kids, but really nice looking place and just left in outstanding condition once again. God, it's just thrilling. Don't get one like this too often, folks. Like we say, you know, so this will let you know what you're going to be looking for when you get a place back. This was just outstanding. So yeah, right south of Soto in downtown Orlando, 868 square feet. If you know anyone looking for a place like this, do give us a call, 407-353-8468. And we can get them set up in here. This is just outstanding. Really cool spot. So again, to recap, we had someone move out and we're taking a look at it, and it is in as good of condition as you can possibly hope to get a place back in. Everything in here is spotless. Really, really impressive. And this is rent ready tomorrow morning. So we'll be throwing up some advertising, and we'll get this one rented. We do, I think, have another one coming up sometime soon. So if you do know someone or yourself and you happen to miss out on this one, I think we have another one that we could potentially interest you in. So again, 407-353-8468, downtown, beautiful Orlando, Florida. Thanks for watching. See you next time.